Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Killer car, guys. Love this thing. Original California black plate car, factory color combination, which is super rare. I just sold a Ford Fairlane GT the same color. It's tropical turquoise. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. Wicked fun car to drive. Same owner for the last 37 years. Ton of documentation that goes with the car. And just one of those cars that is fun to drive. It has a real Boss 302 block in it with 271 Hi-Po heads, top loader 4-speed. Car rocks. I think it dynoed out at like 320 horse, and it gets it, man. Rock solid body, slick paint. You can see it's got Bridgestone rubber all the way around it with the 15-inch Ford style wheels, and it is nice, man. This is a just slick little fastback Mustang. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on it. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it, but the paint's slick. Car runs and drives excellent. Good solid body on it. This is a little sweetheart right here. Again, rare color combination. This tropical turquoise, you just don't see it on cars much. You can see it's got the fold down rear seat. I think all the interior is actually original on this car. Look at how nice this car is, man. This thing is just slick. A little dust on the top of those that'll wipe off. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. I mean, this car is just beautiful. This car's just tough. It's got Baer front disc brakes on it. It was a factory C-Code 289 car, and again, now it has a Boss 302. It's got 600 CFM dual Holleys on it, aluminum intake. Hooker ceramic headers. It has Hi-Po 271 Cobra heads on it. You can see it's got the Cobra air cleaner and valve covers on it. High flow aluminum water pump. It has the Milodon oil pan on it. Again, they've updated to Baer front disc brakes. Look how nice. I mean, this thing is just detailed up beautifully. It's a killer car. Top loader 4-speed manual trans. It's just a great car. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors in there. And again, these fastbacks are tough to get your hands on. I tell everybody this story. I probably said this in these videos a million times. For about 2 years, I didn't sell a Mustang to anybody in the United States. They all went to Europe. It's crazy. Killer car. Little split there in the paint. A-pillar chrome is beautiful. It looked like the car was originally kind of restored back in the 80s, and then it looks again like it was done in the 06, 07 era. Original door tag. But I think this is the original interior. Factory bench seat with that fold down armrest. Again, it's got the fold down rear seat. $90,854. That's the original miles on. Of course, it's got the rally pack gauges on it. AM radio. It's got the car was a factory dealer installed AC car. They never put the AC back on it. They left the controls underneath the dash there. Aftermarket gauges there. It has a H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust. It has a Currie aftermarket 325 traction lock rear end in it with aluminum center section. I think it's got a custom drive shaft in it. It's got traction bars on it, which you need because this car rocks. Spares in here. You can see it's got an aftermarket, another extra air cleaner, touch-up paint. There's your original California black plate. There's all the paperwork that goes with the car, all your extra keys that go with the car. Wicked cool car, man. Underneath, guys, I told my guys I really didn't want it messed with much. You can still see some of the original paint on the floors in there. Nice car. KYB rear shocks. Door skins on both sides are nice and clean. Big fan of this car, man. A couple little marks I saw on the seat. I think they said the original owner's manual's in that glove box. And Hurst shifter. Does have the optional front seat belts on it. Yes, I said optional. Seat belts were optional in 65. These cars didn't come with them. Rocks, man. Look how nice the powder coating and paint department. They did a beautiful job on this car. That's a killer car. Nasty sounding cam in it. Gauges work, fuel gauge works, temp gauge works, parking brake. Check parking brake. Parking brake does work, guys. Sounds nasty. And this car will get you in trouble, guys. This thing rocks. Radio work. Oh, it does. Powering up when it's not getting a station, but up against the building. Blower motor does work. Again, if you want AC, you're going to have to put a compressor on it. They did not put the AC back on it. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to get in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Bad to the bone right there. guys.